If you're seeing a SketchUp error occurred message, a bug splat crash, a 404 error in 3D warehouse, or problems opening extension warehouse, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get SketchUp working again quickly and safely. A lot of SketchUp errors come from corrupted files, outdated graphics drivers, or plugin conflicts, and the good news is that most of them can be fixed without reinstalling everything from scratch. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to check is your graphics driver. If SketchUp is crashing, showing bug splat, freezing, or having rendering issues, your graphics card driver may be the cause. To fix that, go directly to the official manufacturer website for your GPU. If you have NVIDIA, go to NVIDIA's driver download page. If you use AMD, go to AMD's support page. And if you're using Intel graphics, go to Intel's driver download center. Download the latest driver for your exact graphics card model, install it, and then restart your computer. This is one of the most effective fixes because SketchUp relies heavily on graphics performance, and an outdated driver can easily trigger errors. After updating the driver, open SketchUp again and test whether the error is gone. If the issue is related to 3D warehouse or extension warehouse, the next step is to clear the web cache. First, close SketchUp completely, then open File Explorer and paste this path into the address bar. %local app data %/SketchUp bracket year bracket /SketchUp. Inside that folder, look for the WebCache folder and delete it. Don't worry, this does not remove your projects or models. It simply clears stored browser data that can become corrupted and cause login issues, loading failures, or 404 errors. After deleting the cache, reopen SketchUp and try accessing 3D Warehouse or Extension Warehouse again. If SketchUp is still giving you an error, the next thing to try is running it as an administrator. Sometimes installation or permission problems stop the program from opening correctly or block certain features. To do this, right-click the SketchUp icon on your desktop or in the Start menu, then choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. This gives SketchUp the access it needs to run properly, especially if the app is being blocked by Windows security settings or restricted user permissions. If that solves the issue, you may want to always run it with admin access, but only if needed. Another helpful fix is repairing the installation. If SketchUp files are damaged, the program may throw repeated errors even after a restart. To repair it, open the Windows control panel, go to Programs and Features, find SketchUp in the list and choose Uninstall or Change. From there, select Repair if that option is available. Let Windows check the installation files and fix anything missing or broken. Once the repair is complete, restart your computer and launch SketchUp again. In many cases, that alone can clear persistent startup problems and random error messages. If you're still having trouble after all of that, the issue may be caused by a plugin conflict or a corrupted user setting. In that case, it helps to temporarily disable any recently installed extensions and test SketchUp again. If the program opens normally after disabling a plugin, you've likely found the source of the problem. Then you can update or remove that extension before turning it back on. The main takeaway here is that most SketchUp errors are fixable with a few simple steps. Update your graphics driver, clear the web cache, run SketchUp as administrator, and repair the installation if needed. Those 4 fixes solve a huge percentage of common SketchUp problems without wasting time on guesswork. If this video helped you troubleshoot your SketchUp error, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.